What is a Forex demo account and how does it work? As the name suggests, a demo account is a demonstration account where you can trade Forex without the risk of investing your own money. With a demo account, you'll be able to buy and sell currencies, test trading strategies, and get comfortable with the world of Forex. It's just like trading real money, but without the risk. Remember, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill you need to work on. And a great way to start your trading journey is to build up your experience with a demo account. Remember, if you want an insider's guide to the world of Forex trading, including weekly market analysis videos, how-to guides, and more, make sure you subscribe to the Blueberry Markets YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to take your Forex game to the next level. So, how can you get started? First, head over to blueberrymarkets.com and click on Open Demo Account. You'll then be able to download the platform to start trading with your virtual money. You'll have up to $100,000 to trade with, so you'll have plenty of opportunities to work on your trading skills and build your confidence. To get the most out of your demo account, you'll want to take your trades seriously. It's usually good to start with one major currency pair until you get the feel for it. Although Forex demo accounts are a great way to learn, keep in mind it's not the same as trading your own hard-earned money. The rewards and risks of trading your own capital introduce an exciting psychological component, which is different from using a demo account. So if you're serious about becoming a Forex trader, a demo account is your first step on this journey, but don't get stuck there. When you're ready to take the plunge into the real world of Forex trading, you can open a live trading account at blueberrymarkets.com. And that concludes our video. Do you think we missed anything? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications, so you never miss a video from us. Please also follow us on our social media, links can be found below. Cheers!